traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think that we're going to make another push up for wave Y. I think this is an ABC of wave Y to match this 3 waves up for W, 3 waves down for X, and likely 3 waves up for Y, which I still think is likely to take out the high of wave 4 and the high of wave W. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, first of all, this is the wave A of Y. This WXY is the wave B of Y. That makes this 5 waves up right here. Wave 1, I think this is a big giant ABC correction for wave 2. And I think we're already in that wave 3, which I believe over the coming months and probably even year, it's going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3. Now that doesn't mean there's not going to be some significant pullbacks on shorter time frames, because there definitely will be. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, ever since we broke structure to the upside on the daily, I've definitely primarily been looking for longs in an uptrend on shorter time frames. We did have a very impulsive move down yesterday, but so far, I mean, the trend is definitely still up on these higher time frames. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, on the 4 hour time frame, I was thinking this break of structure was a significant break and that this move up was actually going to end up making a lower high and continuing back down again like that, which I still think is very, very possible. And we definitely need to keep this scenario in mind that it could make a lower high and go down again. But it kind of looks like it could be 1 down, 3 up, and then 5 down, especially on the 1 hour time frame. Right to the 38%, impulsive up. The trend is up on all the higher time frames, and I believe we're in a wave 3, so I honestly think that it would probably be more likely it's just going to keep on trending up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this is where you can a little more clearly see this, because this is definitely 5 waves right there. This to me looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up, and then this definitely looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. So it looks like a traditional 5-3-5 pattern with just a higher high wave B, which happens quite often. Definitely went to the 38%. Nice impulsive move up. Now, like I said, this move up could possibly be a crutch into this move down right here. So if it does make an impulsive move down, if it does make a break of structure, then you could definitely justify going short, because at that point it would probably go down to at least a 50 to 61.8 before it went back up. But I would have to see a pretty impulsive move down, see a nice break of structure, because I think that it could just as easily continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and as long as it continues to make those series of higher highs, higher lows, I think you need to continue to trade with the trend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.